Okay, we continue with collision detection. In the last video, we got the collision detection, so we can predict that we will collide with a ugly fish with respect to our action. So with respect to how we will move in the next turn. The next thing missing is how can we alter our move so that we don't collide with the ugly fish. In this scenario, my drone here is looking for I don't know which fish, 8 or 9, 8. So he will go towards this one. It doesn't know the exact position, but it has a rectangle and take the center. So let's say he go straight, and by going straight, I will collide with this fish. So I would like to not collide, but take a detour so that I don't collide with the fish. And so go something like this. Here I go straight, and I finished in emergency mode, where not only does I lose a lot of turn to go up until I can move again, and I lose the fishes I got in my inventory. Here I did not have any fishes, but any fish, but there's a lot of cases where I have fishes and I go in emergency. So let's try to do that in this video, just to avoid the red fish, and it will be good. So where we left the code, we got the same behavior as previously, and now we have to check for how can we reach, or how can we make a move to get closer to our target without being hit by a red fish. So the simplest thing I see, I will do a little bit, is let's say our drone is here. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Not drone is here. There's a we'll put color. There's a fish, let's say too ugly here. What I will do is check for each move I can do. So a circle this way. Let's say my target is here, and what is the move I can do that will not collide with any ugly fish, but bring me closer to the target. In most of the cases, it should be a straight line, but here, say if I go here, the red fish will go this way and we will have a collision. So maybe the best position is to go this way, and turn after turn we will be able to do that, and maybe the red fish, that's anticipation, but maybe the red fish will have some trajectory like this, but behind us, so we can reach our target without being touched by the ugly fish. Okay, so what we have to do is create a code, a circle with each speed this way, and check for each speed that don't collide with an ugly. Let's say for each speed we calculate, we will first check we don't collide with an ugly if we apply this speed, and next we will take the vector that bring us closest to the target. Okay, easy to say. Let's see if it's easy to code. So here we just went straight to the target, and now we have to change that. So I will do some angles. Let's say I have to do 360 angles. Okay, and for each angle, I will calculate the speed corresponding to this angle. Check if we let's say I will write as a comment and code it later. So calculate the speed relative to angle. Check if we collide with any ugly fish. If not, check if the closest to the target. Let's code each comment. So calculate the speed relative to the angle. So we have speed.vx equal something. Oops. 0. 0 is something. Y is 0. So the maximum speed of the drone is 600. Maybe I should I will hardcode it for now, but maybe 600 is not the best solution. Maybe we can go closest to the fish with a speed that is less than 600. But I think the meta of the game is to go the quickest as possible. So let's say it's 600. So I will have to put this. Angles are in radian in Java, so I have to multiply my angle by p and divide by 180. P. Okay, that's double, so I will have to cast it. Okay, and it's exactly the same. Okay, that's cool stuff. It's cool and school. Let's say, okay, here I will simulate 360 angles with a 600 speed, and for each speed I will have to check for the fish. So where is my I created the debug. Okay, debug collision. So I have the simulator here. I have my drone. I have the ugly, so I will have to check for each ugly. Okay, that's not our speed. Check if we collide, if any ugly. So it's that. Okay. Drone speed is speed, and let's create a boolean that's as collision. By default it's false, but it's the same. As collision equal if as collision we can break. One collision is enough to stop, and if at the end if we add a collision we will continue. It's not a good speed. But if there is no collision, now we have to check where we will land by applying the speed and what is the distance to the target. So we have post next position, drone.post.x plus speed.vx, drone.post.y plus speed.vy. That's our next position, and we will need the distance to the target. So we will int dist squared. We can use the square distance to to compare the distance. So next to our next position, if our distance is less than the best dist, then the best dist will be our position, and our best speed will be our speed. Okay, I miss a lot of things. So here we go. Best dist2 integer dot max value, and vec best speed equals new vec. Okay, I don't have the copy from. Let's create it. That's our model. This dot vx égale model dot x y. Okay, and here, when we have done all the possibilities, we will have to check if best speed 2 equals integer dot max value. It means we didn't found any angle to avoid all the fishes. So let's print it. No speed to avoid all uglies. Okay, else speed dot copy from best speed. Okay, and okay, default speed. Okay, so now we have to use it, but we already use it. So now, if everything is okay, in this situation, Arduino will predict that we will collide here, and instead of going straight, should avoid the red fish by going in another direction. Maybe I should print something here just to say we found something else. Print ln best speed to avoid uglies. Best speed. Okay, I think I don't have any toString. toString v vy. Okay. I think I will do something like that, and I will say boolean false as uglies are true. If my goal is if there is no ugly in the vicinity, in the okay, no, it's not important. What I was coding was if there is no ugly that I see, then there's no need to do that, but in fact it will be enough to do that. So let's see. Okay, and here will it be okay? Oh, first time I avoid. Okay. Oh, okay, it's very good. I avoid totally the red fish. Then I scan 3 4 fish in a row, but then I go up, and when I go up, I don't check for the red fishes. And so here, instead of going this way to go up, I go straight up and I get the red fish. So I'm almost done. What I have to do is when I chase a fish, I use the best speed calculator, and now when I go up, or when I force go up, instead of doing this, I will have to best calculate my drone with my speed, which will be this. So vec target, is that a target? Okay, it's a target. So my target will be equals new post. In X, it will have the same, and 0 will be my target in Y, and so that is my target. Okay, and then action dot force, I have to see it, speed calculator, just speed dot vx and dot dy speed dot v. Not happy with these two lines. I think let's see if it works. If it works, I will refactor, because copying these two lines each time make me wonder. I will do some error with the X and the Y, and so I have to change it to have something like copy from. So I will. Okay, what is going on? I see the fish, I avoid the fish, I scan some fish. Okay, here I scan a lot, and now will I be able to? Okay. Okay, I still lose, but I completely avoided the fish, the ugly fish. I'm looking for the second drone, but the second drone avoided them too, so it's pretty okay. The boss is still going faster than me, but it's good. So let's refactor the speed, or maybe I will submit. Let's say so I'm 600, and while the submit is going, I will refactor my code. So the refactor is, I don't want dx dy, I want a speed, which is let's say speed. That's a vec, that's not a speed. Let's put it final. Okay, and now, so it's speed point copy from speed. Okay, that should be okay to replace these two lines. Now every time I see that, I will have to do speed dot reset 0 0 0 0. Okay, reset is that. Okay, here drone speed copy from action dot speed. It's better, largely better. And here I copy from best speed. Okay. Action.speed. Okay. Next, in the player, I will have, yes, okay, speed.x and speed.y. Okay, let's check it. Okay, it's good. So check that I don't regress. So it's 26 and I finish with 25 points. Okay, still okay. So now I will check for my the game I'm losing, why I am losing. Okay, okay. He's still going faster than me. Okay, oh. Okay, that's weird. There was something weird about the movement of my right drone, like here. What is he doing? Okay, this drone has been hit by a fish. The other one is scanning, and I'm scanning. Okay, I'm avoiding the. It's pretty impressive. And I go up. Okay, I miss a lot of fish. Here, he pushed the fish out of the map. I got some fish in first, and I completely miss the level 1, level 0 fishes. Okay, still largely better than the old bot. So I have to check that. Let's see other defeat. Okay, I'm the pink. Still miss a lot of the first layer fishes. I think it's my light. My light is not good, and here, for example, I should be able to scan this one, but I don't do it. I have a 13 battery, but I decide not to try to light to get it. So I think it will be my my next thing to do. Let's let the battle finish. I should have take the replay I was looking at. Okay, here I have this one, but I don't have this one. Okay. Okay. So where was it? Okay, I'm here. I go up. I have the yellow, but I don't have this one. I should be able to light it to get it. So the fish 11 is here. It's a big zone. 2k width and 2k 8. But I think I have to do something to I can move toward it, or I can light because I'm near it. I think the first thing I will do is print for each fish and for each of my drones how far I think I am close to it, and then work from that. So let's say in the AI, I will okay, here I do the collision, I don't need the debug anymore. Okay, and here at first debug fish triangulation, and I will say debug drone fish drone fish no, I will say debug fish triangulation. For each fish I print the triangulation, and now for each of my drone my drones, I will print potential distance. So I will say drone dist to potential no, equals so I have the rectangle which is here, extract and call it rectangle. Okay, so it's a rectangle, rectangle dot center dot dist to drone dot pose. Okay, so now if I do that, okay, we're getting closer to the boss. Okay, here, so here we have our ID 3 with fish 11 is okay. Here we see we have a potential distance to this fish which is less than 2k pixels. So I think we should light. And here with fish 13, D1 is near fish 13. 13. Where is 13? Which one is 13? 13. 6, 7, 12. 1, 2, 3. Where is the fourth one? Is hidden. Oh, yeah. Okay, 13. Okay, maybe. But we are in emergency. So that's nice. Why are we in emergency? Oh, that was not a good plan to go this way. Okay, so I see this one, I avoid it, but then and I think I can do nothing to avoid the fish. Okay, it's bad luck. So now, so when I'm close from a fish, a potential fish with the center, I should light on. Only if I don't have it. So should I light? For now, it's with respect to our target fish. I think I will have to go with all the fishes. So I will do that. Creature count, and if rectangle will not be with the target fish anymore, so let's do that. And instead of target fish, it will be I. Okay, I don't need this one. And as soon as we are 2500 pixels from any fish, we will light. There's a maybe we will need we will use too much battery, but I think it will be good. And the second thing I have to do is when I go up, now that I don't have the fish is here, I should say should I light drone and target fish should be -1 because when we go up, we don't have a target fish anymore. Okay, with this code, I should be lightning a lot more. So maybe I will use a lot of battery, but on the other side, I will be able to catch more fishes. So here I have a problem which I didn't anticipate. It's if I already have the fish, I don't need to light, so I will be able to pass. I think I have already this code somewhere here with the fish ID. If it's ugly, if it's the target, okay. Here I need this one and I did this one. Okay, I think I will refactor to put this code in the drone. Drone as scanned scanned. Okay, fish ID. Okay, and if drone as scanned fish ID, continue. As scanned. Okay, so I need the state. No. Why do I? Oh. Something wrong in my code. Why do I have the drones? I don't know. If okay, I already have the code. What was doing my code? Okay. Oh, I said if any of my drone has scan, then I continue. Okay. So if my state has the drone, well, okay, here. If it's not fish ID, it's I fish ID. Continue. Okay, if my state, if I already have the fish, I continue, I don't care. If my drone has creature fish ID, I continue too, I don't care. And maybe I should do if my partner, my wingman has the fish, maybe I should not light. I will go with that. So let's go. I have 28, and at the end I've got 12 points. What if I replay? So now not. Yes, it will. Okay, I win now. It's a good sign. 29, and let's see. Okay, and here I should. Okay, here I light because I see this one, which is good, which is nice. I will stop here. So the battles are finished. I'm 185, which is very good. Still a lot to do to be near the boss, but with this light maybe we can do. So I will start a new summit with the light thing and see what we do. It's pretty good. I think we have a good chance to beat the boss soon. See you later.